Hey guys, Colin here from CH Gadgets, and this smartwatch is packed with so many premium features you would never believe that it's a budget device. Let's check it out. So POCO finally made their first smartwatch, and basically what you get in the box is this 1.6-inch bright AMOLED display with a resolution of 360 by 320 and a pixel density of 301 per inch. I did notice out of the box it's running this Mi/POCO OS that is relatively smooth, I would say, based on use, and I would say that it has a similar size profile to the Apple Watch, but only major difference is this one is really lightweight, coming in at about 31 grams, and that's with the strap included. And I guess they could achieve this weight because the back plate and the entire frame is made out of plastic. But don't get me wrong, it doesn't feel cheaply made or anything. As a matter of fact, the materials feel nice and the soft silicone strap feels really comfortable on the wrist. You can wear it all day and never feel fatigued or irritated. And the watch has water resistant up to 50 meters and is packed with all the sensors that you would need to get fit and stay in shape. It has an optical heart rate sensor, an accelerometer, and a gyroscope built in. Plus, this one supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Baidu navigational systems for whenever you hit the trail running or if you're going a long walk in the park. You also get a 225 milliamp hour battery and a 2-prong wired charger in the box. But surprisingly, this one can go about 14 days on a single charge with regular use, and so far I can confirm that it has a really good battery life. Alright, so let's talk about the fitness aspect, which I think is the primary reason this watch was created in the first place. There are more than 24 different sports mode and workout settings to choose from, and I have to say I really like how they work. The ones that I use the most are the ones for walking and running, and I'm pretty impressed with how well they work, and the sensors are really on point in that automatic mode. As soon as I start jogging or brisk walking, it immediately gets a GPS lock and set the correct workout mode. It also gives me the option to start the workout or cancel. Now, in my opinion, it gives you an accurate reading on where you've traveled during your workout and the exact or maybe an approximate distance. The step counter is relatively accurate, although in my opinion it could be off by a few steps sometimes as it compared to my other smartwatches, but overall it still does a good job. As compared to my TicWatch Pro, the heart rate sensor is pretty similar, even though it may be off by 1 to 2 beats per minute. I would say that's pretty okay in my opinion. I mean, it is a really nice smartwatch for the price. Even though you don't get certain features, maybe I'm pushing it and asking for too much. Like, there is no support for Wi-Fi connection, and the raise to wake feature is a little bit slower than most. There is no auto pause or end workout session like I would have on my TicWatch Pros. Whenever I'm in my workout, it would automatically stop. But this one, you definitely have to press it and hold it down to stop that workout. You can't answer your calls, and there is no storage to store your music or any other data other than the apps that are on the phone. But on the flip side, you do get a bright, vibrant AMOLED display, a lot of health tracking features, an easy to use UI, a really great battery life, and a really slick design. Plus, you get a lot of watch faces and support for GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, and a whole lot of premium sensors built in. And it also might look a little bit too small for larger wrists such as mine, but there's no denying the value that it brings in comparison to a lot of other watches that are 4 times its cost. Let me know, would you pay 50 bucks for this one, just checking out the specs and all that it has to offer? Let me know down in the comment section right under the like button. And if you like tech and gadgets just like I do, and you want to see more of these type of videos, then click my face to get subscribed so you can see more, and you can check out this video when you're done. But I think YouTube also want you to check this one out. Either way, you have the choice. You can check it out. Peace. Thanks for watching.